Microsoft Office add-ins, a malware delivery trap. What happened? Cyber attackers recently used a clever trick to distribute malware. They uploaded fake Microsoft Office add-in tools to a legitimate open-source site called SourceForge. The project looked like it offered real Office development tools, but instead, it delivered malicious code that infected users' computers. How the attack worked. 1. Impersonation. A fake project called Office Package was uploaded to SourceForge. It copied descriptions and file structures from a real Microsoft GitHub project called Office Add-in Scripts. 2. Search engine manipulation, SEO poisoning. When people searched for Office add-in tools, the fake project appeared high in search results, tricking users into clicking it. 3. Silent malware installation. When someone downloaded and ran the fake tool, it installed cryptocurrency miners, which used the victim's computer to make money for hackers. Stole cryptocurrency wallet information, potentially leading to financial theft. 4. Scope of impact. Over 4,600 computers were infected, mostly in Russia, but anyone around the world could have been a target. Real-world examples. Example 1. The developer trap. Scenario. Sarah, a junior developer, is building an Excel integration for her company. She searches online for Office add-in development tools and clicks on a SourceForge link that looks official. What happens? She downloads the fake Office package tool. Her company laptop starts running slowly. Malware is silently mining cryptocurrency. It also scans her browser for saved passwords and digital wallet data. Lesson: even experienced developers can be fooled by realistic-looking projects hosted on trusted platforms. Example 2. The student victim. Scenario. Mark, a university student, is building an Excel-based student budget tracker. He finds a YouTube tutorial that links to the fake SourceForge project. What happens? He installs the add-in, but behind the scenes, the malware begins collecting personal files and scanning for login credentials. He later notices his school accounts acting weird, possibly compromised. Lesson: educational resources, even well-meaning ones, can unknowingly promote malware. Example 3. The small business risk. Scenario. Anna runs a small online store and uses Excel to manage inventory. Her assistant downloads what they think is a tool to automate Excel tasks. What happens? The tool installs malware that sends clipboard contents, like copied passwords or crypto wallet addresses, to hackers. Later, when Anna copies her crypto wallet address to make a payment, the malware replaces it with the hacker's address, and the money is sent to the attacker. Lesson: even non-technical users can be targeted through tools that appear to enhance productivity. How to stay safe. 1. Always verify sources. Only download software from known, official websites. Double-check the author and reviews. 2. Watch out for lookalikes. Just because a project is on a popular platform like SourceForge or GitHub doesn't mean it's trustworthy. 3. Use antivirus software. A good, updated security tool can detect and block these kinds of threats before they cause damage. 4. Be suspicious of add-ins from unknown sources, especially ones linked in documents, emails, or videos. Final thoughts. This isn't just a one-time case. It's part of a growing trend where attackers use legit platforms to hide malicious code in plain sight. Whether you're a developer, a student, or a business owner, it's critical to stay alert and think before you download. Malware today is smarter, but with awareness, so are we.